Hey y'all, so this is my very first time I'm attempting to make dehydrated banana chips. Oh, with a little drizzle of honey on them. I am so excited about this. I haven't used this yet, so I'm looking forward to it. I will share how it turns out. But banana chips with a little bit of honey. And the other day I was doing some posting about the children in Africa and the bananas. They can actually lay them out in the sun and make banana chips. Oh, don't mind the washer. I'm still doing laundry. Anyway, thought I'd share. Easy temperature, easy on off for about 6 hours.